Hi, my name is Anika and I'm a celebrity makeup artist and beauty influencer. Today I'm going to show you how I would get ready for my first day at Euphoria High School. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is base our eyelids with this concealer from MAC in a shade a bit brighter than our skin tone. Blend the concealer out with a flat shader brush. Go in with the fluffy brush to blend the edges of the concealer. Next, I'll be outlining the border of my eyebrow to give a sharper, crisper look. Blend the eyebrow highlight into the concealer that we used earlier. I'll be using shades from the James Charles Mini palette to achieve this look. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to outline the edge of my crease, using the dark green shade from the palette. Towards the front of the crease, I'll be blending the light and dark green together to give an ombre effect. Take the dark green and outline the outer corner of your eye, creating a wing shape. Repeat on the other eye. On an angled brush, I'll be taking the dark green shade mixed with black and deepening the edge of the crease. Do the same for the lower lash line as well. On a tiny fluffy brush, take the burnt umber shade and blend that at the edges of the green. Using a micellar water soaked Q-tip, clean up any fallout that may have occurred. Take a brow gel and brush the hairs upwards. Lightly fill in any patches that may be missing. Take a cream blush and apply it to the apples of the cheek. Use a fluffy brush to apply the concealer under the eye, around the nose, and around the mouth. Use a small amount of foundation to blend through the rest of the face. Taking a gold toned cream highlighter, apply that to the apples of the cheek and the other high points of the face. Set the center of the face with translucent powder. Take your favorite bronzer and apply it around the edges of the face. I'm using the back of a brush to apply small dots of eyelash glue where I want to stick the rhinestones. I got these rhinestones from Shein. Last but not least, apply some mascara to your lower lash line.